Namaste, I'm Nikita, and today I'm going to guide you through a Sacral Chakra meditation. Sitting in a comfortable position, start to bring your awareness to your breath. Noticing your belly expand out as you inhale, and then drawing it back in as you exhale. Let your shoulders relax, soften your gaze, and then place your hands onto your lower abdomen, just below your navel. The Sacral Chakra is associated with the colour orange, the element of water, and represents creativity, pleasure, and joy. Imagine a radiant orange light flowing from your lower abdomen all the way around to each part of your body. Feel its warmth spreading around you, across your hips, through your legs, into your spine, all the way up to the head. As you inhale, this orange light deepens, and as you exhale, it spreads with its vibrant energy, washing over you and energizing you. Start to feel the orange light intensifying, igniting your creative spark, releasing any blockages or inhibitions that might be hindering your creative flow. Watch them dissolve into the light as you become filled with fluidity and expression, as creative energy swirls through you and around you. I am a creative being, open to new ideas and experiences. I express myself authentically with confidence. My creativity flows freely and abundantly. With each of these affirmations, activating your potential, allowing your energy to flow. As you bathe in this orange light and become immersed in the dance of life. Noticing how your breath now feels fluid as you are connected to the core of your being, carrying this creativity and openness with you for the rest of the day. Remembering that this is within you and you can access it anytime. And now starting to bring yourself back to the present moment, aware of the sounds, the temperature of the air, the texture of your clothes, and then bringing gentle movement back into your fingers and toes before rolling your head from one side to the other. And if you need to give yourself a gentle stretch, you can. Roll out your shoulders. And notice how this creative energy is flowing through you as you are now energized and ready to carry on with your day. And take your time to open your eyes. Namaste.